Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. So I'm over here, finna pick up some parts for the Monte Carlo build. We at the summit of Arlington, and this is probably like my second, third time coming here. I'm getting the parts for the suspension. We're gonna see if they got me here. I think it's an MGR tubular arm, but they got some cool stuff I'm already seeing. Like they got a classic truck. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna turn this camera around so y'all can check it out. Yes, sir. Yeah. Jeez. What's up with it, man? Which one you think that one? Oh yeah, man, it's pretty nice. Man, everything painted. Billet hinges. LS. It look like LS in there. You see this one? Damn, this thing clean. Look at that custom interior. Look at that interior, baby. That interior pretty nice. Hold on, I'm not dealing with no fans right now.
Can I have an autograph?
Are you a loyal subscriber?
Yep. Number
Sugar.
1 subscriber.
We know that's a lie. What's the last video you seen? Oh. So, and I already removed the weather stripper from the trunk. I ordered it from Rock Auto. So like 25 bucks or so. I'm ready to go ahead and start cleaning up the frame. I'm not able to do a frame off, but I am going to definitely clean up the frame. I was wondering why it looks so weird here at the front. And I started looking at it. These splash guards, these are the plastic splash guards. They definitely have seen better days. As you can see, it's broken. And then I gotta get that bolt. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this bolt off right here. And I'll be able to clean up the frame better. I'll take off this wheel. Go ahead and pull that splash guard, pull this fender. I'm really just trying to order the parts as needed and then replace them. So I need to go ahead and look into ordering a good fender and a splash guard. One thing that I do know that I'm gonna take off is the antenna. So when my fender comes in, I'm gonna have to add some metal in there and shave it down. So I wanted to check the T-tops. I think it's like $250 for the weather stripping on that. And so another thing too, I gotta make sure that these seals is right here. You can tell that needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead and order that seal kit. It's like $250 or so. But I wanted to know what was going on with that fender over there. So I got that. I'm looking at these wires. I just wanted to just cut everything off, but I'm gonna wait till someone that knows what's going on comes over to help me, because this wire runs over here, and I know they done pigtail off of something. So I'm just gonna start working it backwards, and I'm gonna take a look at this side, see if I need to get a splash guard or a fender liner. Like, it's pretty good. So it's supposed to come all the way down here. As you can see on the other one, it's not like that. I believe this is a plastic fender liner. Yes, we're gonna pull a lot of stuff out a little at a time. I'm just trying to find where everything is wired to, what it's wired up to, and what it does. See, I don't even know what this is right here. Let me see. Okay. The horn. I need to figure out how I'm gonna pull this motor. Go ahead and get it done. I'm probably gonna bring the mechanic in. That way, when I pull this motor, I can go ahead and have room and space for everything I need. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling everything off this side of the fender. I see that it's grounded. I gotta pull this ground wire. All right. And it's grounded right there. Trying to see what this is right here. So you got something to go to the amp. So every time I touch this car, I do a little at a time. As you can see, this car has 2 battery trays in it. I believe one might have been added. I'm almost certain that this is the original one. I'm gonna clean it and restore it. I'm gonna grind all this stuff down, hit it with some PR15, and a little at a time. Gotta order some more parts, as always, but I'm gonna work on this one later tonight. It's still early in the morning. This is before I go to the barber shop. I'm finna work on another customer's car, but we'll get back to this one, have an update for this one here in a few days. Weather strip. Yes, I know that the fender has this rubber piece right there. I know these parts are getting harder and harder to find, but it's like it's in good shape. So yeah, because I don't want to have this hood hanging on this side of the car rigged up. Definitely got some shims on this fender. But yeah, I want to make sure I had the part in before I remove it. And that's just how I'm going to go on this one little piece at a time. Being that the Banshee is getting all my attention still, for the most part.